ang SDO ang isa sa mga nagbibigay paliwanag sa mga Audit Observation Memorandum ng Commission on Audit ayon sa pahayag ng opisyal ng OVP. Isa pang napag-alaman natin ang tila bang kaguluhan pagdating sa confidential funds. Sa nakaraang pagdinig, ating nakita na kahit may guidance na sa Joint Circular number 2015-01 ukol sa confidential expenses at confidential funds, isa sa mga resource person natin ang nagpahayag na ang confidential activities katulad ng surveillance activities in relation to confidential funds ay ginagamit in relation to the mandate of the agency, which mandate pertains to the general operations of the agency. Ngunit nakabibigla ang pahayag na ang confidential fund is not a separate item on top of either good governance or socio-economic program delivery. It is within that program. Nagmukhang ang confidential funds ay ginamit upang mag-augment ng pondo ng regular na programa ng OVP at hindi ginamit sa hiwalay na programang may kinalaman talaga sa confidential expenses or surveillance activities to support the mandate or operations of the agency. Katakataka din ito sapagkat sa mga nagdaang pagdinig, hindi rin mandato ng OVP ang national security at peace and order bagamat may programa itong good governance. Ito marahil ang dapat gawan ng batas, bumalangkas ng panukalang magbibigay direksyon sa mga ehensya sa paggamit ng confidential funds at anong aktibidad ang confidential activities at ang tamang pagsusuri nito ng ating mga ahensya na may oversight. Nakapagbigay linaw din ang mga opisyal ng OVP sa tanong kung bakit biglang tumaas nang minsan ay humigit 400% ang expenses ng kanilang opisina. Itong araw ay dahil sa operation ng mga satellite offices. Ang mga satellite offices ng OVP ay kumukonsumo sa higit kalahati ng pondo ng OVP. Sila ay palaging iniimbitahan, ngunit hanggang sa araw na to, mailap na dumalo at ayaw sagutin ang mga katanungan sa pondo ng bayan. Mas mabilis sanang masasagot ang katanungan at malulutas ang mga isyu ng ating pagdinig kung sa simula pa lang ay nagpaabot na ng pakikipagtulungan sa pamamagitan ng pagdalo ang mga opisyal ng OVP. Napatunayan sa nakaraang pagdinig na ang nagpagsasabi ng totoo dito sa Kamara, dito sa House Blue Ribbon Committee ay hindi dapat ikabahala. At the end of the day, ang aming mandato ay magsabatas ng mga panukalang makatutulong sa pondo ng bayan at mapigilan ang katiwalian sa pamahalaan sa pamamagitan ng mga panukalang ito. Maraming salamat po. We will now proceed to the administrative matters. I now call on the committee secretariat to provide the committee an update on the invitations, requests, correspondences, submissions, and compliance.
Your Honor, in sum, the agencies have provided the committee the requested documents in the previous hearings. However, with regard to COA, they manifested that they are having problems with some of the voluminous documents, particularly OVP documents, which Mr. Tomawis will state later. For the contempt and arrest orders, it has been transmitted by the LSB to the law enforcement agencies. We not in attendance today are Ms. Acosta, Ms. Gina F. Acosta, and the spouses Mr. Edward D. Fajarda and Attorney Sunshine Chari A. Fajarda. However, in the previous meeting, they have sent their letter request to lift the contempt and arrest orders, Your Honor. For the rest of the other resource persons, they have sent their excuse letters for their non-appearance today, Your Honors. Thank you. May I please also recognize Mr. Attorney Vicente G. Ongcad from the Bureau of Immigration and Mr. Christopher M. Cancino, Director 3, Special Services Sector of the Commission on Audit. That's it, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Congresswoman Pami Zamora, you're
I'd like to refresh the memory of everyone. I remember that the committee cited in contempt 4 individuals. That was the November 11 hearing of this committee. They are Mr. Lemuel Ortonio, Gina Acosta, Sunshine Fajarda, and Mr. Edward Fajarda. And after they were cited in contempt, these 4 individuals, I believe, were issued with the penalty of being detained at the premises of the House of Representatives for a period up to the time that a committee has submitted a committee report. And may I just confirm, Mr. Chair, with the COMSEC, the status of these contempt orders, whether these 4 officials were already, have they been arrested or detained?
COMSEC?
Yes, Your Honor. I would refer to the activity report of the LSB. They have submitted to the committee an activity report from the Philippine National Police, Eastern Police District. They stated that the Office of the Vice President said that they could not present the said individuals because they are on official travel. So the LSB and the law enforcement agencies were unsuccessful in taking into custody the said individuals, Your Honor.
All
Congressman
right.
Pami?
So if ganon, in view of their non-attendance and the fact that the LSB cannot find them, I move that the contempt order and the arrest order be forwarded immediately to the Bureau of Immigration in order to prevent these officials from fleeing the country. Let's avoid that and evading arrest. And for the BI to issue, when warranted, the necessary lookout bulletin order or alert list order. I also move that the committee closely coordinate, Mr. Chair, with the PNP and the NBI in order to effect the arrest of these individuals who aren't present, and to, after which, immediately turn them over to the House of Representatives. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Madam
Second,
Chair,
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Congressman
just to for purposes of lang po yung processes in this committee. The basic principle and under the rules is we can only move one motion for one subject matter. So may I ask
All right.
the movant to once again separate the first motion to the second motion. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Make 2 separate
Yes,
motions.
sorry. Mr. Chair, I would like to move that the contempt and arrest order of these individuals be forwarded immediately to the Bureau of Immigration in order to prevent them from fleeing the country. And when warranted, to issue a necessary lookout bulletin or alert
We
list
will rule
order.
first
I
on
so
the-
move, Mr. Chair.
The first motion is
No.
to forward.
All right.
So we will rule on the first
alright.
motion first.
Second,
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the
So-
motion is carried. The motion is carried.
Mr. Chair, I also move that we ask the BI to include them in an immigration lookout bulletin or